there with the Bassturds. Japan dudes out there, fucking nuts. They're out of their mind. They took us to this bowl. It's like a fucking fortress, dude. Like 10 feet tall walls. You crawl through. Gap. Climb up. First boy in there with a ride, doing backside airs. Started going for the gap. I think I did that bonus like twice. Tripped up on the first one. That place was rough, man. It was rough. Rough and tough, but we liked it.
Lucky man.
Coping, super sick. It was painted like fresh when we got there. Green, glowing coping. Just rolling grind straight into fucking gap in that thing. So sick. Put on the new wheels. It was sliding out everywhere. But pulled it off. Super stoked. Went out there with the Bassturds. Rise the man, finding all the spots.
Well played.
Racing with all these guys. We're drinking beer for like 3 in the morning. Pass out, see my face. Rise fucking drinking juice boxes the whole time. Willis was getting hammered on the sock and everything in sight. We're just raging, no sleep. Kenji is the man. Kenji, the fucking boss, set the whole thing up, got us advanced Bassturd tour.
What do you think, Shaun?
It's fucking nuts.
We hit fucking all these spots. We were skating non-stop. It was insane. Super stoked. Got the ad. Fucking out of the country. Japan. We made it there with the boys. Till die, motherfuckers. Thanks, boys. Later.